Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about the assignment problem. The problem instance has a number of agents and a number of tasks. Any agent can be assigned to perform any task, incurring some cost that may vary depending on the agent task assignment. The only method is to solve using Hungarian method. For example, in a small or large-scale industry, many workers manufacture various units. Let's suppose 4 jobs and 4 cranes. Each crane uses a row value, and each job uses a column value. There are 16 values in a matrix. Let's just say by row. 1, 6, 9, and 10. 5, 2, 11, and 12. 4, 9, 8, and 5. And the last row, 7, 3, 2, and 8. The costs are therefore given in dollars. All you need to find is the minimum cost. First step, to find out the minimum value in a row. We have 1, 2, 4, and 2. Subtract the minimum value to obtain some zeros in a row. Second step, to find the minimum value in a column. We have first 3 zeros, and 1. If zeros are already here, it is therefore unchanged. The last column is 8, 9, 0, and 5. Third step, when more number of zeros are found, you have to strike out horizontally, or vertically. In case of 4x4 matrix, at least 4 lines must be covered. Leftover unbounded elements will be subtracted by minimum value, and the intersected elements will be added by minimum value, and the rest of the bounded elements will remain unchanged. If you have found exact number of lines, you'll get an optimum value for the minimum cost. Each row and column must have a single zero that has to be selected. If there are some extra zeros found, just strike it off. We find that crane A belongs to the first job, crane B for the second job, crane C for the fourth job, and crane D for the third job. Hence, the minimum cost obtained is $10. I hope you know how to find the minimum cost. You could learn from Shadow the Hedgehog. This method you know how to solve an assignment problem. Like, comment, and subscribe now.